Hey everyone, and welcome back. Tired of juggling multiple tools for content planning? In this video, I'll show you how to manage your entire content calendar and social media in one place with Baserow. First, create a new database called Content Calendar. Now, let's build your content hub. Add a single-line text field for your content title. Create a long text field for your full post copy captions. Or article body, add a date field for your published date and a single select field for platforms like Instagram, YouTube, or your blog. Use another single select for status with options like idea, in progress, scheduled, and published. Include a URL field for links to graphics, documents, or the final published post. For social media, create a checkbox field to track if your visuals are ready. Use the Kanban view grouped by status to visually manage your content pipeline, or the calendar view to see your publishing schedule at a glance. Share the database with your team for seamless collaboration, and that's it. You now have a centralized command center for all your content, making planning and execution smoother than ever. If you organize your content in Baserow, let me know what you're planning in the comments. See you in the next one.